Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Happy October 3rd. Welcome back to another video. So guys, I hope you are having an amazing morning. Hopefully you're having a great start to your day. Today is amazing. It is amazing. I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. Well, I'm already started, but I just want to add a little bit of things to my daily regimen. That's all. I did, however, do my face already, if you guys can see. Y'all, I am almost out of my collagen. Hold on, I got too many things in my hand. I'm almost out of, can y'all see it? My collagen right here. There you go. See? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yep, she's at the very end, so I have to take this, I have to take it off and like, if you guys can see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I have to like hit it so it can come out, but we got a little bit in there. So I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm thinking about keeping this container because it's glass and I can always add, you know, my own top to it. So yeah, so put that there. But yeah, we're almost out of that. And then I'll show you what else now it's already October, right? And I'm gonna show y'all. So we're almost out of the collagen and this is my vitamin E Piracy. And I'm trying to see where we are here. I don't know if y'all will be able to see. That's how much I have left in here. So it is probably about, oh, it's about right here. I got about this much left of the vitamin E. And let me show y'all where I'm almost out of this. We are almost out of the lavender. This is the moisturizing bath and body. Y'all remember, I'm gonna turn it upside down. I got it upside down because I have only like that little corner right there left. So yeah, I'm going to be done with that bottle of that this week. So I'm happy about that because I can start all over and start. I still incorporate my own things that I buy. I mean, that I make for myself. So those were just little things that were, you know, bought when I was going to the Crazy Bins place. Those were things that I was getting like, those were high price items that I was getting like for, less. So that is why. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead really. I just wanted to open up the video and tell you guys happy Sunday. It is a beautiful day. It's really gloomy here. It's not gonna be warm outside. Well, it's warm outside. It's like 70 degrees, but we're gonna have a lot of rain today. It's like 60 to 70% of rain today. So I'm not gonna really be doing much, but whatever I do, I'll bring you guys along. And, hold on, y'all. He's telling me to come on. Come here. Y'all, hold on, look. Say hi this morning, y'all. Say hi. Can you say hi, Mari? So, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to let them fix their, we got a little setup for breakfast. So, I'm going to let them do that, and I'll show you guys what we're doing. Okay?
Thank y'all for watching my Nana's video.
Y'all, he had to say, they can't hear you. He has something to tell y'all.
I appreciate y'all for watching my Nana's video.
Oh, thank you. He's saying he appreciates y'all for watching. He said he appreciates y'all for watching his Nana channel. This is the outfit of the day. Just one of my really nice mustard fall. I got on my little skinny jeans. Ripped up skinny. He called them skinny jeans. These are from
Chicago.
I forgot. These are the ones my daughter got me. I can't remember the name of them, but we're gonna go ahead. Look at him. We're gonna,
They can see me right there.
Yeah, they can see you. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready to get our breakfast. So Mark has the toast down. Mari's ready to eat, y'all. He's not playing. He has the toast down. We got sprouted toast in here. I'm not gonna have any, but they're gonna have like 3 apiece. And then we have our 3 bowls. Our oatmeal is done.
And our ingredients.
And he's gonna show you all the ingredients. Take the tops off, baby. You can show them. What do we have here? We have sugar, raw sugar. We have cinnamon, and we have peanuts and chocolate. That's what he wanted. And then we got this for our butter. I mean, to butter our butter their toast. And we have, I'm going to have pumpkin spice for mine. And they're going to have jelly on their toast. And they're going to have a side of
I took some.
banana. Huh?
I took some.
It's okay. Y'all think y'all going to like it?
Yeah.
You think you're going to like it, Mari? Y'all, he's so hungry. We'll be back. Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time. So I don't know who this message is for. Every time I give you guys some encouraging words or a message, it's not just for me. I feel like if it's for me, I would rather give it to you guys. So my message today is you are better than what you're going through. You are. We all are. We are all better than what we're going through. We all have to go through something to get better. So you are better than what you're going through because it's going to make you better. And all the time that you're going through, you don't have to share anything that you're going through with anybody other than God the Father, because he's the only one who's going to bring you out. So in Exodus 14:14, the Lord says, I will fight for you while you keep silent. Meaning, as long as you stay silent and you keep him at the center of your situation, the center of your problem, the center of your heart, the center of your focus, he says he will take care of it. He just wants you to seek him. So that is a message I want to give you guys. And like I said, this is from Exodus 14:4. That's what he says. He will fight for you as long as you remain silent, meaning you need to talk to him. Okay? So I don't know who that message is for. It was for me. It spoke to all the things that I might be going through in my life. But do trust me. It's not over. The battle is not over. All right? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all. Now on to the video. All right, guys. Here we are. So today, I did mention to you guys in the previous video from the day before that we were going to be getting some of these things off of this shelf to put them over there. So I'm going to take this piece here. We're going to use this piece here. And we're going to take these three pieces, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with them. So without further ado, continue to watch the video, okay? guys, do y'all know it is 8:30 and I forgot to end the video? I'm so sorry, but I am extremely tired, exhausted. I did a lot this weekend. I actually was supposed to go to a family function this evening, and y'all, I am just not in the mood. I didn't go, so I just wanted to close out this video. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Thank you guys for subscribing and all that jazz. I'm gonna just sit here and finish drinking my water, put my jammies on, brush my teeth, and I'm gonna call it a night. But I just wanted to come back and end the video properly because I did not. And I didn't think about it until I sat down. I'm actually sitting on the floor. I'm just trying to come to my senses. I got a little slight cold. I keep sniffing my nose. And I know last night I was feeling kind of like my throat was feeling kind of sore. So I'm hoping I'm not coming down with anything. I do know the kids were coughing and stuff. So we're going to pray that she ain't got nothing. But I think what she got is she need to go to bed. So I will see you guys in another video. Hope you guys have a very good evening. I will see you in the next video. I'm trying to do this Vlogmas thing. We don't know how it's going to work. But whatever I do, y'all, just click on it, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Bye.